Hello guys, I'm Karol from Flame Instruments, and today it's my honor to present you with my first guitar signature series model called Flame Instruments TI6. For the last couple of months, I've been obsessed with heat anodizing metal to achieve a finish like this. And my first attempt went quite well, but this was a 2mm thick mild steel plate, which would make the guitar 11 pounds, making it almost unusable. Also, it would require a clear coat to prevent rust, so I tried 1mm thick stainless steel. But the heat coloring by torch caused this sheet of steel to warp extremely. Eventually I tried titanium plate, which was really expensive, but the colors are just something different. Look at this comparison. The colors of titanium oxidation are much more intense and pronounced. And thankfully, titanium didn't warp nearly as dramatically as steel. I was a bit worried about the durability of my CNC end mills, but surprisingly, it all went just fine. All edges of the titanium body plate, as well as the headstock plate, were filed to be round and smooth. So let's go through this build together, guys. I want to show you what we have here. We have two active pickups from EMG. The electronics is pretty straightforward. You have your volume knob, three-way pickup selection switch. This button is a nice little gimmick. When you push it, the top dots as well as the side dots will light up. So we have LED fretboard. The fretboard is from ebony. We have stainless steel frets, stainless steel nut, Godot locking tuners, hip-shot fixed bridge, and the neck is composed of Purple Heart and Canadian Maple. The body is from Black Limba. Beautiful wood figure. A much more detailed description of this build can be found on my website, where you can also contact me directly if you'll be interested in this guitar. I will also try my luck on reverb. All the links will be in the description of this video. And if you like the look of this guitar, but you'd use a different bridge, tuners, scale length and so on, you can fill out a request form on my website where you can choose a different number of strings and all the other specs, including band logo, custom inlays, different wood species and all the other specs of your dream guitar. I'm a custom instrument builder primarily after all, and you will receive a price estimate and we will talk about every detail. At this point, I'm already working on my first titanium bass series model, which will be made this spring. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full build video of this bass, which will be traveling across the ocean to a customer from the United States. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram where I post my latest work and updates. If you have any questions about this guitar or a custom build, you can leave a comment on this video or contact me directly on my website. And you can also send me a message on my Instagram. As I said, all the links are in the description. Play metal, guys, and stay safe.